Hello, hello, hello everyone. Good morning, good morning, good morning America. Isang magandang umaga na puno ng pag-asa. Umagang kay ganda na every morning pagkagising is a blessing from God na dapat natin pasalamatan lahat ng mga biyaya na binigay ng Panginoon sa atin. Lalo na yung gift of life, ang regalo ng Panginoon sa atin, yung ating buhay. Yun ang pinakamahalaga na gumising tayo sa bawat umaga, na buhay, na safe, protecting us from any harm, from any danger, from any calamity, na we're okay. Kasama natin yung mga mahal natin sa buhay. At meron tayong tirahan na masisilungan. Meron tayong pagkain sa ating hapagkainan. At meron tayong pamilya, kaibigan, at mga naging bahagi ng ating buhay na ating karamay sa hirap man or ginhawa. Yun ang pinakamahalaga talaga sa buhay, na we'll learn how to appreciate the beauty of life. So excited sa pagkagising ko na alam ko na bawat umaga meron akong pag-asa. Sa bawat umaga meron akong inspirasyon. That every morning we start with a new life, with a new journey, a new inspiration. And I do believe na bawat pagising mo, you learn from your past and you live in your present moment. And of course, you're dreaming and hoping for a beautiful future. Yun talaga importante sa buhay natin yan. Past is past. Try to live our life with love, with laughter and joy. Yun ang pinakamahalagang gagawin natin, na hindi tayo namumuhay sa nakaraan. Namumuhay tayo sa present moment. Kasi marami sa atin sa mundo na palagi nakakalimutan yung present moment. Palagi tayo bumabalik doon sa mga problema, sa mga pagsubok. That's already past, and we have something to do, how to overcome all the challenges, or ano man yung mga pinagdaanan natin sa buhay. Bawat tao may mga kanyang-kanyang mga pagsubok at suliranin sa buhay. But ang mahalaga, ano man yung mga karanasan mo, at ano man maging journey ng buhay mo, maging bahagi na ng libro ng buhay mo yun. Sa libro ng buhay nyo, meron tayong mga experiences. Sometimes happy, sometimes sad, and sometimes medyo horror din, di ba? Para misteryoso yung buhay. So ano man at saan man kayo ngayon ng journey ng buhay nyo, patuloy na lumalaban para sa iyong kinabukasan, para sa sarili mo, para sa pamilya mo, kung saan ka man ngayon. Either you are in other country, isa kang OFW, o isa kang ina na nasa loob lamang ng tahanan, na nagdarasal, gumagawa ng kabutihan para matulungan mo yung mga anak mo, or kung ano man yung mga pinagdaanan mo, either you are physically handicapped or you're healthy, whatever your situation will be. The most important, what is your life journey. And every journey in our life, there's a reason behind. And we always believe that all things happen for a reason. We always believe that everything is impossible with God. Kaya ako yun ang pinaghawakan ko sa journey ko sa life. Siyempre, lalo na pag naninirahan ka sa ibang bansa, na you start from the scratch, na wala kang kaibigan, of course, bago kang dating, di ba? And then from then on, you build yourself, you build your confidence, you build your community, you build the people around you, na you have a good relationship. In whatever we do in life, we always starting with building a good relationship with someone else. And the most important, you to start building a confidence. Yun ang nga sabi nga, kung napanood ko yung mga, minsan yung mga kalingap, yung mga kabataan, sinasabi, they want to boost their confidence in life. Yun ang pinaka-importante talaga, na you have a confidence in your life, you have something to do in your life, na you do great things in life, So, yun ang pinakamalaga sa buhay. And of course, we need to be thankful for God sa lahat ng mga blessing na binibigay niya para sa atin, na kailanman hindi ka pabayaan. She always there to support and taking care of us. Yun lang mahalaga, mga kaibigan and mga kababayan. I'm being here in the USA for almost 23 years of my life. I went through a lot of challenges at the beginning. But one thing stick in my mind, I'm a dreamer. Palagi akong nangangarap for something good, and I always manifesting it, and I believing in myself. And because of my belief, I try to be an achiever. Kaya, I'm being thankful. Magkaroon naman tayo ng isang recognition sa Hollywood coming November. But I'm thank to God na pala makarating ako sa recognition na yun, sa award na yun, sa isang award body. I got selected one of the Filipina American, na nandito sa Amerika, na continue to support the community back home in the Philippines. Hindi ko pinangarap na ma-recognize ako, magkaroon ako ng maraming awards sa Hollywood. But God is watching. you'd be surprised that people nominated you. I remember a few years ago, I was called dahil nga nakita ng ABS-CBN yung isa sa mga live ko. And siyempre nakita nila yung pagtulong ko during pandemic sa Pilipinas na nagluto ako, nagbuo kami ng Phil-Am Sabi community. That my community, I'm one of the founders. At ito yung bag ko. Phil-Am Sabi community na nabuo namin for almost 5 years na tumutulong kami sa Pilipinas. So nagtatak sa aking mga puso, sa aking mga isipan, you know, to generation to come na ang paging hindi problema ang pagiging mahirap. Ang importante isipin mo paano ka lumabas sa kahirapan, paano ka tumulong sa sarili mo umangat sa buhay. At kung nandoon ka na sa bagay na nakaangat sa buhay, paano ka makatulong sa mga tao na naging part ng journey mo. You always learn how to appreciate and being grateful for all the people being part of your life journey and how to build the community. I'm so blessed being our group, Phil-Am Sabi Community. Yan, Phil-Am Sabi Community being recognized dito sa city of San Jose in California and Santa Clara County and even in San Francisco area na we received several awards sa pagtulong namin sa aming kababayan. And again, guy, I invited you this coming Friday, meron naman kaming ulit fundraising how to support our kababayan back home, especially sa Cebu. And growing up, palagi kasi yung mga parents ko pumunta kami ng Cebu during those time kasi may mga very dedicated Catholic Christian. And if you don't know, I'm one of the admin and founder of Catholic Tradition Evangelization. And right now, we have 216K followers. Kung hindi pa kayo, just go, check the page and be helping you. Okay? Again, Kai, maraming salamat po. And i-bless pa tayo ni Lord. And I highly encourage to support our kababayan, our Phil-Am community. And support natin sila. And then support Phil-Am Sabi community. So every donation you give, you got one of this bag. It's for $10. You know, marami kasi maraming mga pinagdaanan sila. And of course, Auntie Lou, thank you so much. I really appreciate. Good morning, Tita Lou. And yun lang, na-appreciate ko talaga kasi si Tita Lou is one of the person helping me out. You know, lalo na sa mga pinapaaral namin sa Pilipinas. Isa sa mga naging inspiration ko, naging mentor ko, naging coach ko sa buhay. It's not only for my spiritual journey, at the same time, my financial journey. Again, Kai, if you want to learn more of the stuff connected to financial, Auntie Lou Concepcion was there too. Myself, and you want to help our kababayan back home in the Philippines, of course, you can connect me and some of the admin and founder of Phil-Am Sabi community. So I'm so blessed. I'm one of those founders. The 6 of us, we started back in 2020. You know, 5 years na kami. Mag-celebrate ng aming anniversary this coming October 30th, 31st. You know. So yun lang. Again, thank you. Always start our day with a grateful heart. Always start with a brand new day with hope and inspiration. We always thinking our goal, kahit marami tayong pinagdaanan, but always believe that we have something good thing we can do in our life and to our family and to the people around us. The more you share your blessing, the more God bless you. And for the people who know me, I went through a lot of challenges for the past few months, you know, when it comes to our family. So, but I always entrusted to God. Kasi alam ko naman na walang bagay na binigay si Lord na hindi mo makakayanan. Walang bagay na binigay si Lord na may mga dahilan. That's what I said in the beginning of this live. Kaya, I frequently want to do it again kasi since 2019, almost every day nagla-live ako hanggang ngayon, but for past few months medyo bihira na because of my schedule and so many things, but I'm so blessed kasi no matter what, I have a God. Our God is greater from any problem. Our God greater from anything in life. And she always there to give me a light, to give me a blessing, to give me support and everything. And I'm surrounded with amazing people like Auntie Lou and all the people being part of my journey. Again, guys, thank you so much and mabuhay at maraming salamat. And see you next time. Always live our life, start with a new life, with new inspiration, with new hope, and never give up. And don't focus our life in the past, focus what is the present moment. And always remember what I said, our situation is not a final destination. There's a big and a great journey while we're walking in our life journey na marami tayong ma-experience. But in the end, we can be successful as long we believe in ourselves. We always be a dreamer, the believer, and an achiever. I think that one yung gusto kong gawin sa buhay ko na maging consistent sa mga pangarap ko na it's not about the number of age. It's about how you believe and being consistent and focus and focus and discipline yourself and be consistent. Yun ang pinaka-importante talaga. Again, guys, thank you so much and see you next time and mabuhay. Bye!